Are you looking for the top 5 essential sewing machines every enthusiast needs? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 essential sewing machines every enthusiast needs on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Juki HCL DX7 Sewing Machine. The Juki HCL DX7 computerized sewing machine is the latest and greatest from Juki. One of the main features of the Juki HCL DX7 computerized sewing machine is quality. Included with the Juki HCL DX7 computerized sewing machine is the box feed system that stays in contact with your fabric longer for a consistent, reliable seam every time. The Juki HCL DX7 computerized sewing machine has a built-in straight stitch plate, 8-inch throat space, 277 stitches for alphabets fonts built in, and more. The Juki HCL DX7 is a premium sewing and quilting machine built for serious hobbyists and professionals. Its industrial-grade feed system, extensive stitch options, precision controls, and thoughtful ergonomics make it ideal for tackling everything from quilting to heavy fabrics like denim. Coupled with accessible controls and helpful accessories, it's a versatile and user-friendly choice. Number 2. Janome Memory Craft Horizon 8200 QCP Special Edition Computerized Sewing Machine. Built-in AccuFeed Flex Feeding System. This allows for superior feeding of both the top and bottom layer fabric. Perfect for large quilts, fine fabric, and more. / built-in automatic needle threader. No more eye strain. Simply pull down the needle threader. Place your thread in the hook and pull back. So up to a 9mm stitch width. So at an incredible 9mm width, most machines sew at 7mm or below. All included sewing feet and many stitches built in are made to sew at 9mm, so you are ready to sew wide right out of the box. / easy to use control panel with LCD panel. The easy to use control panel makes sewing a cinch. Included straight stitch plate with simple plate conversion. Included is a straight stitch plate, which gives you a single round straight stitch hole for the ultimate precision when straight stitching. To change the plate, simply press down the needle plate release level and your standard plate will instantly pop up. No screwdriver needed. Number 3. Bernette B79 Sewing Embroidery Machine Combo. Advanced and computerized sewing machine. The Bernette B79 is a modern sewing machine with integrated embroidery features designed for both beginners and professionals. With computerized precision, it handles quilting, piercing, and basic projects effortlessly. It includes a needle threader, bobbin tools, and intuitive controls for smooth operation in any home or studio. Heavy duty and versatility. Built for reliability, the B79 combines heavy-duty power with creative flexibility. Its wide range of presser feet, stitch options, and needle capabilities ensure clean finishes on thick or delicate fabrics. Whether tackling daily sewing, detailed embroidery, or custom designs, it delivers consistent results with professional quality. LCD display and LED lighting. The 5-inch LCD touchscreen display allows easy navigation between settings, while the integrated LED light illuminates the workspace for precise control. The B79 is designed to simplify both everyday and complex projects, making it perfect for supplies management, fine needlework, and all-around stitching clarity from start to finish. Number 4. Bernette B79 Sewing and Embroidery Machine Bundle. Advanced sewing and embroidery features. Enhance your creativity with the Bernette B79, a computerized sewing machine and embroidery kit designed for precision. This heavy-duty model includes needles, quilting tools, and essential supplies like bobbins, a threader, a portable LED light, a foot hoop, and spools. The professional LCD display, extension table, and multiple presser feet make it perfect for home and professional sewing projects. User-friendly sewing design. The Bernette B79 offers an intuitive interface with professional LCD for seamless navigation. The extension table provides extra workspace, and the adjustable stitch settings ensure versatility. Equipped with an automatic thread cutter, bobbin winder, and multiple presser feet, this sewing machine is ideal for quilting, embroidery, home decor, and fashion design. Versatile for every sewing project. Perfect for quilting, embroidery, and home decor. The Bernette B79 offers customizable stitch settings and multiple hoop sizes. The computerized system allows effortless transitions between sewing and embroidery, while the foot winder, bobbins, threader, and adjustable presser foot ensure precise and professional results. Ideal for both beginners and experienced sewists. Number 5. Brothers Sewing and Quilting Machine. 165 unique built-in stitches. The Brother XR9550 computerized machine includes 110 built-in utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches, including 8 styles of auto-size buttonholes, plus 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches, automatic needle threader, and drop-in top bobbin. The Brother Fast Needle Threading System takes care of threading the needle for you and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Included accessories. Included with the XR9550 quilting and sewing machine is a protective hardcover, wide table, 8 sewing and quilting feet, instructional DVD, and more. LCD screen. The intuitive LCD display allows you to easily choose your stitches and settings with the push of a button. At your side support. The XR9550 quilting and sewing machine comes with Brother at Your Side support, offering free technical support via online, live chat, or phone for the life of your machine. This product is intended for sale only in the U.S. at 120 volts, and any other use or sale may void the warranty.